In a sitting position, undo the straps. For comfort, always wear a cotton sock underneath the brace. Form-fit Air ankle stirrups are delivered pre-inflated to fit most, but can be adjusted as needed. To adjust air pressure, unfold the valve on top of the air liner. To remove the small amount of air from the liner, gently squeeze it to let the air out. To add a small amount of air, gently blow into the tube until the desired volume is achieved. Squeeze the valve flat just below the tube and slowly remove the tube and fold the valve back. Spread the shells and place the heel on the heel strap to check the fit. If required, adjust the heel width by lifting the lower part of the liner and adjust the hook and loop tab. The heel strap should fit snugly under the foot, be equal on both sides, and the bottom of the stirrup should be slightly above the bottom of the foot. Hold the stirrups up against the leg while wrapping the lower strap snugly around the brace. Wrap the top strap. Readjust straps as needed for a secure and comfortable fit. For safe use and optimal support, wear the brace inside a laced athletic shoe.